So, there's another video. I think I've succumbed to my inner trucker. Or old truckers never die, I'm not sure which. Anyway, I think they call these chicken lights. Anyhow, putting 13 2-inch marker lights across the front of the bumper, the front bumper. Just have a few more holes to drill, and then I can mount them and wire them up. It's not exactly the greatest weather for doing this, but we did have a little bit of sunshine today, so it wasn't too bad. It's whatever, -2 Celsius, so whatever that is, 30 degrees or something Fahrenheit, so not too bad. But anyway, that's my little project for the moment. I wanted to put some shiny on. I put the headlights on, and that a week or so ago, LED headlights. So I think this bumper, I'll pop all these out in the spring, and I'm going to polish the bumper. It's stainless, so it should polish up pretty good. I did some sanding on that panel there between the headlights. That's the original bus one, and it was pretty stained up in that. But one thing nice about stainless is you can polish it up and, sand it or whatever, brush it, whatever you want to do, and it just comes back up like brand new. So all these holes that are in here are all for license plates, so I don't need all those. So I think what I'm going to do is when I get a little bit more stainless, I'll make up a molding. Well, I'm going to replace this piece here. I'll just make up some more of this stainless here, like I have here, that I made up when I mounted these marker lights, and I'll run that across between the two there and get rid of that factory molding, and then I'll do another one up and just go over top of, across here over top of all those holes and hide them rather than replace that whole panel. So that's my plan at this point anyways. I tried sanding the bumper a little bit, but the sander I had was not the one to use. So doesn't take long, but I put little grooves in it with the sander I have, and I stopped right away and went, oh, that's not going to work. So I think I'll just have to get a belt sander or something to sand it down to where I can start polishing it. But anyways, I'm not going to worry about that till spring. It's too cold to be polishing this time of year. So anyway, a little bit of an update for now. Well, there's how far I got before my drill stripped out. I guess drilling stainless steel is a little hard on drills, I guess. So I got all of them drilled except the one. So if you get another drill, and I'll drill that one out. The bit's getting a little bit dull too, so like this is hole number 13, and it'll go through, but I'll have to get another one to do the back, because the back bumper when I do that, because they are not something you can sharpen. And so there's 3 of them. I had to take the one of the bumper bolts out to make it fit, and so there's this last one I'm going to do here. It's like that too. The one on the other side, the cover and everything all covers it up when it's on, so you never even know it's there. Anyways, and this bumper, I started sanding it. I'll pop those all out of there next spring, and I'm going to polish that bumper. I tried sanding a little bit here with the sander I had, and I went, oops, that's not the one to use. So I'll have to get a belt sander of some sort. Didn't take long to put some marks in it that are going to be a bit of a pain to get rid of, but now, and it's all my own fault because I screwed it up. So anyways, not gonna worry about that till spring. It's too stinking cold out here to be worrying about polishing at this time of year. But I'll get them all mounted in there anyways, and if I get another nice day, I'll wire them up. Otherwise, I won't even worry about wiring them until spring either. But I'd like to get them wired up, but we'll see how it goes. See how the weather holds. It's not too bad today. It's just below freezing. Warms up sometimes during the day enough that the snow's pretty much well melted, but it's we're gonna have a cold week is coming up. It's gonna go down to just above 0 Fahrenheit, so that's like minus 18 Celsius next week. So it's gonna get cold, so I won't be working out here. I'm gonna finish this up whatever I can today, and that's gonna be it till it warms up, because I don't mind working in the cold a little bit, but I ain't stupid. So anyways, all right, more later. All right, and there's all the lights mounted in it. Not wired up yet, but mounted. And that'll look a lot better once I polish that bumper, but it's gonna have to do for now. See what the weather's like tomorrow. Maybe I'll wire them tomorrow. And these headlights, they say on them DOT approved, but everywhere I've seen lights like this, they say they're off-road use only. So I'm going to order some. Well, I actually already did order some different LED projector lights that I know are DOT approved. So I'll put those in, and fortunately these things aren't very expensive. I might use them for driving lights or maybe backup lights. I don't know. But anyway, I have to get an inspection done on this thing before I can license it, and so it's going to have headlights in it that are DOT approved, or it won't pass inspection. So anyways, as some of you might notice, the bumper's crooked, and that's because somebody somewhere along the line tried to I think anyways, they tried to jack the bus up on the bumper on this side over here on the driver's side, and the bracket is bent under there, so I'll have to straighten that, pull it down, and then it's supposed to be the same as the passenger side, but it's up, I don't know, maybe an inch on the driver's side, so I'll have to pull that down and get that straightened out. But that's a task for another day. It's getting stinking cold out here, so that's going to be it for now. So it's only -7 today, so I'm going to swap these headlights out for I got some DOT approved projector LED seal beams, so I'll swap those out. Hopefully it won't take too long. I'll show them to you here in a few minutes. So these are the ones I'm going to use, and they also have a daytime running light in them, which I'll wire up in the spring, but it just has a regular headlight connector there, and it just has this extra wire here for your daytime running lights, and I'll wire that up in the spring. I'm not going to worry about it right now. There's one side done on the high beam. There's the other ones. Well, they're not old, they're brand new. But the other style, these ones say right on them DOT and SAE approved, so hopefully that'll let me get through inspection okay. These ones, pretty sure they wouldn't. We'll do the other side now. It's stinking cold out here. Okay, and they're both done there now, and that's low beam Only took about 15 minutes to do, but that's enough because I'm freezing my butt off. These right here, this white piece that's under here is that's the daytime running light, which, like I say, I haven't wired up yet. Do that in the spring or sometime when it's warmer. Anyways, that's it for that. Oh, and by the way, if anybody's interested and they like these lights, I got them from Trucks Accessories, TRUX Accessories. They're made in Quebec, Canada here, but they ship all over the world. All the lights on the bus are from them. Tail lights, marker lights. The only ones that aren't are those vertical ones, which I got somewhere else. I don't remember. But all the other lights on the bus are all the Trucks Accessories, and I believe they're called Flatline. Is the series. I have a few different styles, but these are called Flatline, I believe. Anyways, just if anybody's likes the looks of them and want to know where to get them. Well, here's what winter looks like in southwestern British Columbia. Minus 18 Celsius right now, which is right at 0 Fahrenheit. Going to minus 25 tonight Celsius, which I believe is 12 or 13 below. Going to be that for the next couple of days. Bus is doing good though, nice and warm in there. I have no idea why I'm outside, but anyways, had to drain my tank, so back inside. Too stinking cold for anything out here. So back inside here now, all nice toasty warm, which is a good thing because it's stinking cold outside. Next project is going to be countertops. I have the material for the countertops. We're going to do them later this week or next week. Got a little bit of time off between now and the end of the year, so we'll tackle the countertops. I'm going to have a friend help me that's a Finnish carpenter, which would be good because I am not. So anyways, over the next couple of days I'm going to have to pull this all apart. Well, not the cabinets themselves, but the dishwasher's got to come out, sink's got to come out, cooktop, oven, everything, all that stuff's got to come out so I can attach the countertops. It's live edge acacia. They're laminated. Get them at Rona here. So I have those, and I'll film that as we're doing that. Not sure if my buddy's okay with being on camera or not, so I don't know if I'll film him or just what we're doing, but you know, once it's done, kind of thing. But we'll film some of it somehow. Anyways, all right. Talk to you later.